Today, we're comparing two popular eSIM services, Instabridge and Keepgo. If you're new to yeSIMs and wondering which one to choose, this video is for you. Instabridge is well known for its easy access to Wi-Fi hotspots, making it perfect for budget-conscious users who need internet access in urban areas. On the other hand, Keepgo offers extensive global data coverage and flexible plans, ideal for travelers looking for a reliable connection anywhere in the world. But what about the usability of each service? We'll cover everything from the setup process to managing your data plan through their apps. How intuitive is the interface? Is it easy to top up or switch plans? These are some of the key factors we'll explore. Customer support is another crucial aspect. Whether you need help setting up your eSIM or run into connection issues, quick and efficient support can make a big difference. If you need unlimited data without worrying about running out, check out yesim's unlimited data packages available worldwide. It's a great option for travelers who don't want to deal with the hassle of finding Wi-Fi hotspots or managing multiple SIM cards. Here's the link to their service. Throughout this video, we'll highlight the pros and cons of both Instabridge and Keepgo, focusing on real-world usability and customer support experiences. So which eSIM is right for you? Watch to find out. And if you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated on more comparisons like this.